Hello everyone, and welcome back to our chunk claim series in Visual Bukkit. And today we are doing episode 8, where we left off in number 7, just finishing the invite command. So now we are going to start working on the join command, which will only allow a player to join the claim if they have been invited. So let's start with that. Put an else if statement there. And we'll say is equal. And we'll do command argument 0. So 0, and then insert a string for join. There we go. So if the command 0 or command argument 1 in other cases is join, then we run code down here, and we are going to make a local variable. So let's do that, and we will call it join claim, and this is the claim that the player is trying to join. So we'll do command argument, and we'll just insert a number here as number 1. So this is command argument 2, but the index is 1. Okay, so then we'll set another local variable. We're going to set it to joining UUID string. And this will be the UUID of the player who is trying to join. And so we'll insert a method here, UUID to string. And then we'll insert a method here of class player. And then we'll do get unique ID of the command sender. So just like that. And we'll go on to our next step, which will be getting the invite section. So let's set a local variable, invites section, insert a method here, and we'll do class configuration, get configuration section, insert a method for getting our config, so Java plugin, get config from this plugin. Then we'll do string concatenation, insert a string, and that'll be players dot, and this will be our joining UUID string, and we will do string here and dot invites. So this is the invite section that contains the invites that the command sender has. So then we'll do another if statement, and we will negate it and is null. So if it isn't null, the invite section, basically saying that the player has invites because the invite section exists, then we'll do another if statement, and we'll insert a method here, configuration section, and do contains, and then we'll insert our variable for the invite section. And the path will be our join claim. Oh, whoops. Insert variable, join claim. And then we'll set a local variable inside of this if statement. Call it joiner claim path. And this will be the current claim that the player's in that is trying to join another claim. So I'll do insert string, players dot, insert a variable, joining UUID string. Sorry. Then we are going to do another string here, put it as dot claim. So this will be used to check whether the player is already in a claim, and if they are, then they shouldn't be able to join another. So we're going to do an if statement. If is equal. We'll insert a method here. Configuration. Get string. Oh, whoops. Do the get string twice here, so we'll do that. And then we'll go up, copy our method for getting the config, paste it in here. And our path will be joiner claim path. And then the default will just be a blank string. And we are going to check if it is not equal to a blank string. Or no, we're going to check if it is equal to a blank string. And if that is the case, then we allow the player to join the new claim. So we'll insert a method here. Configuration. Set string object. Configuration. Paste our method for getting the config. This will be a variable for the joiner claim path. And we will set it to the name of the claim they're trying to join. So join claim. And then we'll do a method for no, not saving yet. We're going to do configuration section. Just like this. And then set string object. And we will do our invite section. So insert a variable, invites section. The path will be our join claim. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so then we'll insert the value null. We are setting their invite to null so that it no longer exists and they can't use it more than once. Now we will do another set local variable under here. We'll call it claim owner name. Insert a method, configuration, and get string. And then we'll paste our method for getting the config. And we'll insert a string concatenation here. With the first string being claims dot. Second one will be our variable for the join claim. And then the last one will be dot owner. So dot owner. And then we are going to do set local variable. Owner UUID string. And this will be the UUID of the owner. And we'll insert a method here. Class UUID to string. And we'll insert a method here of class player. We'll go down, player. Get unique ID from the actually, we are going to do this. Insert method here. And we'll do Bukkit. And we will say get offline player by string. And the name is our claim owner name. So just like that. And then we will set another local variable under here. Call it the owner authority path. And string concatenation. Insert a string for players dot. And then insert a variable here. Owner UUID string. Insert another string here and do dot authority, just like that. And then we're going to do another local variable, set it as owner previous authority, and this will be a method of class configuration. And get int. So yeah, we want this one. And we will insert our, can we paste? Yep, paste our method for the config. And then the string will be owner authority path. Because we're going to add authority to the owner each time a player joins. That way they can claim more land. So we'll do set local variable here. Owner new authority. And we will set the value as math. Insert variable. Owner previous authority +1. Just like that. Then we'll do a method configuration, which will set the new value. So string object, paste in, and the path will be our variable for the owner authority path, just like that. And the value will be our owner new authority. Just like that. Then let's save the config. So method, Java plugin, save config from this plugin. Then we are going to send a message to the player. So let's see here, method, command sender, like that. Do send message and command sender. Insert a method here for our chat color. Translate alternate color codes. Insert a string and we will say string concatenation. First string will be and A successfully, and E for yellow joined, and 6 for the semicolon being gold. Then we'll say and A for light green again, and that'll be the join claim. And then we're gonna do an else statement right under here, right there. And we will say another message, paste inside. And this will be for if the player is already a member of another claim. So we'll say and C for light red, you are already a member of a claim. Then we are going to want to do an else statement that is below here. So I'll do else statement right there. Method. Actually, we're just going to copy this one, paste inside here. And then we will do another string concatenation. So delete that, do string concatenation. and string, and C, you have not been invited to, and E, sorry, not A, and E, and we'll insert our variable for the join claim. So the name of the claim they're trying to join. And I believe, just because I want to keep these episodes a little shorter than I did the last time, I think we are gonna call it ends here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Number 9, I believe it'll be. We're almost there, guys. We're making good progress. We are almost there. But now we have a fully fleshed out join command, invite, and create command. So we're doing good. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.